Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sunday Mixin with Psycho Nixon. Today we're going to make homemade pizza. And we got our sauce, we have our crust, pepperoni, we got many different kinds of cheeses here, and our mozzarella. We're going to make pepperoni pizza. So I'm going to clear all this out and get it ready for the first step, which is getting the crust ready. So the first step we need is to take our crust here, open the top, and dump all your stuff in there. Trash. Actually, we'll save it for knowing how we're doing, what we're doing, because I have never done this before. And then you're going to add a half a cup of warm water, and you're going to mix that up. That's what happens. So, then the package says to let it set for 5 minutes, covered. Always wash your hands. I'll just cover this for 5 minutes.
Can you pull this off here? So I can see your camera guy? No?
You can.
How do you do it?
Then we'll let that set for 5 minutes. Welcome back everybody. We're going to put some flour down and we're going to start kneading this dough here. You got your dough. Pull this out, throw it right onto the table. If you get your fingers off there, there you go. Just like every other video, I always get messy. That's what happens. But what do you do? Just gonna clean your fingers up a little bit. Get all that off of there. That's why you always wash your hands. Key. Keep kneading it for a little while. Package says knead it for several times. So I'm just gonna make sure it's not all sticky on your hands. Gross. And just fold it over and keep kneading it. There you go. It's starting to look like dough now. Yeah. Some more flour. Alright. Like I said before, never done this before, so we'll see how it turns out. Welcome back. We are going to grease this pan with a little bit of butter. Just a little bit like that. once you do that, take a little butter and put it on your hands. You grab your dough and you spread it out onto the tray. I've seen Grandma do this a couple times. She has one of those fancy pizza spinner things. It's open. It's really nice to use. But we'll be using a regular oven. It is preheating correct right now at 425, if I'm not mistaken. And we're going to get all of our toppings and everything on here. Get everything all nice and spread out kind of evenly. Alright, and the next thing that you need in your pizza is your pizza sauce. Right there. Just pour some on there. Like that. Take your spoon. You spread it all out like that. All the way to the edges. Nobody likes non-sauce crust. There we go, nice and even. It's very good there. And then take the pepperonis. This is my favorite part. Throw your pepperonis on here, and then 3 for the pizza, 1 for me. And got the pepperonis on here. And then we'll put our mozzarella on there. Do not put that on the pizza. That's bad. It says do not eat. Alright, then you take you got your pepperoni on there. Take your bag of mozzarella. Put it all over the top like so. Mozzarella. Mozzarella. And if you're a meat eater like me, put more pepperoni on top. And you know for sure you get your pepperoni and everything in there. Yeah, that's beautiful. Packages out. Probably because I've been eating on it. There we go. And then we'll throw it in the oven. Let's take a look at this pizza in here. Getting pretty close. We're going to get a little bit golden, a little more golden brown on the top, and then we'll be good. Alright, I think we're going to pull this out. Be plenty done. Pull this out real nice like that. And we're going to just let that stand for 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll throw the other pizza in. Because I got to feed an army. So I'm making 3 pizzas. But you're only seeing 1. Welcome back, everybody. We're going to cut this. And we're going to dish up. Alright. That's what Grandma used to make. That's good stuff. Thank you everybody for watching. This has been Sunday Mixin with Psycho Nixon. And if you want to see anything else, just let me know in the comments below. If you want to see any kind of dish, just let me know and I'll go cook it. You know, I'll try anything once. Smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm Psycho Nixon, and I'm out.
Yeah.